Hello traders, the title of the video is Masterclass FS and US dollar Swiss franc technical trading. Alright. Let's start our demonstration today talking about the US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. This is a masterclass. Alright, you let me know at the end of the tutorial whether this is truly a masterclass. Let's keep it very short. If you are trading this currency pair, the first thing that you need to understand is that if the euro dollar is going up, this currency pair will go down. If the euro dollar is going down, this currency pair will go up. So the dollar Swiss franc currency pair is negatively correlated to the euro dollar currency pair. What we have said to traders is that the euro dollar is the leading currency pair. You are trading Forex, you have to keep your eyes on the leading currency pair, which is the euro dollar currency pair. But the dollar Swiss franc currency pair is negatively correlated to the euro dollar. All right? So because this is the euro dollar is a leading currency pair, this is also a very important currency pair that we must trade. So the first key level that you do not want to forget if you are trading this currency pair is the level of 0.9947. That's the pink line on my chart. I did find a support here, find a resistance here, find a resistance here, break a bow, come below it. That level 0.9947. Note it down. I'm not saying to tattoo that to your chest or your arm. Don't use any tattoo. Just write it down and do not forget it. All right. The next trend line that I want to highlight to trader is this one here. You can see how I draw it here. You can see that I'm on the monthly chart, by the way. Though those candles bar got a tail, I just choose the low of the month of July 2011. So that low, I connect it to the low of March 2014. So I draw this trend line. So draw that trend line on your chart. One thing you need to understand, if the price stuck below that blue trend line, if you are buying, be very careful. I want to draw attention to another trend line. You see the green one that I draw connected this point, roughly to this one. See here, this green one here. All right. That green trend line and the blue trend line form an angle here. You see the angle between the green and the blue. So consider the top of this zone between those two trend lines as a bullish zone. Between the green, consider that as a bullish zone. And anything apart from that level is bearish. So it's bearish in this section here. So that's why I'm saying to you, if you are buying, in this zone, be careful, right? Or if it goes down below this section, it's still bearish. So the bullish zone is here above the green and the blue. Promise me that you will not forget that. The pink trend line 0.9947 and the angle above that those two trend line is bullish zone. But you want to buy, if you want to be truly bullish, it must be above 0.9947. I'm not saying that one cannot buy anywhere else. So here we are now at the green line. What is this green line? You have to note it down also. It's a very important key level for this currency pair, 0.9522. 0.9522, that's the green line on my chart. It is the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the price action from here down to here. Now you have to understand here, I do not draw my Fibonacci retracement all the way here. I use the closing price. So draw it from the closing price here to this closing price here. And you will be in that zone. That's the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So the price was going down first. The dollar Swiss franc was going down first. Now it's above that 50% Fibonacci retracement level. But though it is a bullish zone, we want the price to be above that blue trend line. You remember the angle between the green and the blue. Though the zone above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is a bullish zone, we want it to be above that blue trend line angle. You remember that angle? And most importantly, if you are buying, be aware of 0.9947. Alright, so draw that blue trend line, draw that green trend line, remember the angle, draw that pink trend line, very important, alright? And understand also that no financial instrument is going up or down for no reason. So where is this currency pair is headed. Where there is a target, the target is this one here, 12041. If it continue to go up, the target is 12041. Will it reach it? We will see. It may not. It may not reach it at all. If it reaches that level, you want to know that it's a target level, 12041. So the midpoint target will be somewhere, I'll put it roughly here. Oops. Somewhere at 10984. That will be the midpoint target. All right, so that's the target. You may say, Joe, how did you calculate that? And I'll say to you, you unbelief boy, you're asking good questions. So we have what we call a slanted inverted head and shoulder. So you may say, what is it? So this is the head right here. And this is the left hand side shoulder, which is a bit squeeze. And this is the right hand side shoulder. My neckline is the peak line here again. So without being too greedy, oops, I move a line. I draw it from the closing price to the pink line, and I project it above. So there is a target, which I told you already, 12041. What are we looking for? That's a very good question. We are looking for trading setup in the vicinity of one of those key levels that I have already mentioned to you. In a medium term, my friend, the price now consolidating between the green line and the red line here, consolidating between 19522 and 10300. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. See, that's what's going on. So we may consider the pink line as the median line of that channel. No, not exactly. All right, so it's somewhere there. So understand that there's a consolidation taking place here. Right now, professionals selling here at 10300. And if the price come to 09522, there are buyers here. And that buyer, those buyers are buying also at a 50% Fibonacci retracement level. As I told you already, the green line is a 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So this is what's going on there. Now, be aware, draw that blue trend line, is stuck below it. So though we are in above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, be aware of that blue trend line. And there is another pink line there. All right? In all cases. So now, you may say I'm a day trader, I'm a swing trader. What should you do? Give priority to bullish signal above 09522. But be aware of the blue trend line and the pink line. There are resistance ahead. All right, that's what we are saying. Implement a top-down trading method to trade it like a pro. Priority to bearish signal below 09523. It's going down. Be aware of the level of 08836. Look for trading setup in the vicinity of any of those key levels and trend line. And trade like a pro. Remember the bullish zone. Remember the bearish zone. All right, and trade it like a pro. All right. This will conclude our discussion today about Masterclass FX US dollar Swiss franc technical trading. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.